Majas Coffee is a coffee roastery which makes biologic, organic, climate-neutral coffee, and it's a great feeling to make coffee for a better world.
What was really important for us was doing something good for the world. So we are really looking at our supply chain, that it's traceable, that it's good social conditions where the coffee is produced. And as a small business, we have not only to look where we are now, but also where we want to go. Therefore, we were searching for an ERP system. We decided to take SAP Business One. It helps us a lot with our sustainability doings inside of our company. And I think there SAP Business One is a great solution because we have a lot of opportunities to grow with the system. And I think it's much easier to implement a system like SAP in the status where we are now. Conesprit was a partner who offered a do-it-yourself package where you can do a lot of stuff on your own.
But we also had Conesprit to ask the questions we had. And it was so easy to implement SAP Business One.
It's good to grow together with Conesprit as a partner.
SAP Business One is growing with you, and it's so easy to add models. So we have an online shop and SAP Business One, and we need to connect them. Conesprit developed an app, the marketplace connecting SAP Business One with our online shop. So we have the sales directly in SAP Business One. It makes the life very easy. Our system is in the cloud, so it's possible for us to get on the cloud everywhere we are. So it doesn't matter if we are here in the production or if we are maybe in the origin, and we can also work with the system.
SAP Business One helps us a lot to plan our material or green coffee we need.
The traceability for us is very important. Our coffee is traceable to the origin. Here in the production, everything is traceable. We want to make the next step with SAP Business One. Yeah, let's see where we are in 3 or 5 years.
With Conesprit as a partner and SAP Business One in the cloud, we as Majas Coffee can make the world to a sustainable place.